Recently, I found a image generator model as well as image editing model. Basically, it is not a nano banana. Most of you will think about it, but yeah, let's dive into it and see its result. So you can find on your screen these are the various types of results generated by a latest LLM model. I will discuss regarding it. So in the field of AI, recently we are seeing a latest update, and this is one of the most popular LLM model going viral recently, and many of the developers or the YouTubers are making regarding videos related to this model. It is one of the most popular LLM model for image generation as well as image editing. So let's dive into it. If you are new to my channel, so don't forget to subscribe, because I bring regularly tech related videos on my channel related to artificial intelligence and machine learning stuff. So let's dive into it. So it is the model name is Z Turbo Image, and it is one of the most popular image model editing plus, as well as it can generate the image like a Nano Banana. But yeah, this model is not from a US based company, but it is from China. Basically the China, it's owns by Alibaba, and they have generated this model as compared to Nano Banana, where their inference and the code base or weights are not hidden, but it can be related to Google's Nano Banana only. It is similar. Yeah, these are very much realistic, and the Z Turbo Image you can use easily. It is an open source LLM model, so you can easily train according to your data set. The image generation is very much futuristic and realistic like Nano Banana. It can edit any type of images you can find on your screen. From cat you can convert to dog, or you can train any type of virtual traces also. This is a type of yeah, they have created some type of templates, how like a Nano Banana create for any type of advertisement or any type of organization related template. So Z Turbo Image is also similar, although they created this model after the Nano Banana release. It has published publicly available, but this model is very much crucial and important, and you can find this type of models, and it can generate they have written some modified some created templates regarding their Chinese stuff. But yeah, as compared to Nano Banana, where weights are not publicly available, this model is publicly available with 6 billion parameter model, which is the one of the most and minimum base model in order to interact and or run on a small amount of GPU inference. You can find this text to image model as on a leaderboard as compared to other models which are comes under the paid. It is performing very much better, and also it open source field also it is ranking one of the best. It is basically focused on image generation, as well as for image generation it is performing fourth number, but image editing it is also a latest model, so it can be better regarding if we compare with the other models such as Flux 2. This is the architecture of model. It is based on distillation technique of diffusion based models, where all the model has to run their entire weight stuff, but this model runs on a less amount of weight usage, due to which it is very much optimized and reduce cost while running the inference. This is the architecture, and yeah, most of the cases if we are comparing with the image models, image generation or audio generation, any type of model, they are based on diffusion, and text to text generation models are dependent on transformer. So this was the architecture. It uses the technique you can find. This is a type of architecture. It captures an image and then real model, and it is like a converted the image into specific type of structures and divided it into the type of using a clip model for a specific type of textual SS, and then according to it modified it using the Gaussian noise like a diffusion based model uses usually for that specific image, and it try to perform the type of task like editing stuff. If you want to edit any type of images, according to that only it uses clip for converting text to text for getting your prompt to work on an image. This is the architecture related to that only, similar stuff, but yeah, it uses this type of architecture Gaussian noise, and you find a realistic image, and it uses encoder type and real-time editing, and it converts to it first of all it minimizes the entire image from 128 pixels to 20 or 32 pixels, then try to gradually increase that for increasing specific type of resolution. but this model is one of the best, I think so, from China, and it is an open source, so it can be probably help any type of startups. If you're building related, you want a realistic futuristic image generation, but you need a GPU inference cost for running any type of API basis. But this model is open source, where your Google charges a huge amount of money for Nano Banana usage. This will be free and you can host on your own and deploy on your own CPU. I hope so you love this video. Don't forget to share with your very best friends and stay tuned. I update regularly AI related videos. So see you. Take bye.